In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sum multiple columns in Google Sheets. Let's start by getting into Google Sheets. Open your browser and go to Google. At the top right of the page, look for the small grid icon, the Google Apps button. Click it to open the app launcher, then choose Sheets. This takes you straight to your recent spreadsheets. Open the spreadsheet you want to work with. If you don't see it right away, you can use the search bar at the top of the Sheets homepage to find it by name. Once your sheet is open, pick a clear place to display your totals. Many people put column totals in a new row beneath their data, or in a summary area on the side. Click the cell where you want the first total to appear. Now type SUM, and then select the numbers you want summed in the first column. You can do this by clicking the top cell in that column's number list and dragging down to the last number. As you highlight, you'll see the range appear inside the parentheses of your formula. If you're totaling an entire column and you have a header at the top, start your selection below the header to avoid including it. Sheets ignores blank cells and text automatically, but keeping the selection to numeric rows keeps things tidy. When you're done highlighting, make sure the formula looks complete with a closing parenthesis. Press Enter. You should now see the total for that first column in the cell you selected. If the number doesn't look right, double-check that your selected range doesn't include labels or other columns. To quickly sum additional columns, click that same total cell to select it. You'll notice a small square at the bottom right corner of the selection. This is the fill handle. Drag that handle across to the right to copy the formula for adjacent columns, or drag it down if your totals are arranged vertically. Google Sheets automatically adjusts the column references as you drag, so each copied formula sums the corresponding column without you having to retype anything. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Keep your totals on a dedicated summary row to avoid mixing them with raw data, and consider formatting those total cells in bold or with a background color so they stand out visually. If your data grows over time, place the totals far enough below the active data to prevent overlap. And that's it. Your columns are summed, and you've scaled the process to multiple columns in just a few clicks.